Welcome back, guys, to Forever PD, your no BS guide to crushing PTE without the hype. Today, we're diving deep into essay writing. This isn't just another video, it's the only one you'll need to watch to hit that 8-band equivalent or straight up 90 like I did in my recent exam. Yeah, I scored perfect 90s across all modules, and I'm spilling the exact method that got me there. Plus, real student turnarounds from 41 to 81 in weeks. We're keeping it dead simple, assuming your English is average, because honestly, you don't need to be a native speaker to game this test. First off, motivation time. Picture this, average Joes and Janes not aiming for the moon but still landing 80 plus in writing. One guy jumped from 41 to 81 in a couple weeks. Two others needed just 60-65 but hit near 90. If they can do it with basic English, you watching this can nail full 90 if you follow this blueprint. The secret? It's not talent, it's structure. CURS. Let's break down the basics logically. In PTE Academic, you get one essay prompt. 200 to 300 words, must have paragraphs or you lose big points. Ignore compound complex sentences, kiss marks goodbye. Pro tip, just 1 to 2 per body paragraph is enough. No need to overstuff. Compound, use and, but, yet. Complex, because, although, since. Easy wins. Now, the structure that never fails. 4 paragraphs every time. Intro, body 1, body 2, conclusion. Doesn't matter if it's agree, disagree, advantages, disadvantages, or causes, crushes them all. Lines, intro 2, conclusion 2, bodies 3 to 4 each. Boom, 200 plus words without stress. Diving into the intro. Take this sample prompt. Professional athletes earn high salaries. Many argue it's unfair compared to other professions. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Don't overthink. First sentence. Paraphrase or copy the statement. Can't paraphrase? Use this opener. In today's age of rapid scientific and technological advancement, where? Then paste the prompt. Second sentence. Your thesis. I partially agree and will explain in upcoming paragraphs. Or fully agree, disagree. Logic here. This satisfies the examiner's ask without fluff. Example time. Let's build it live. In today's age, where professional athletes can earn very high salaries, many people argue that this is unfair and that other professions deserve higher salaries. Thesis. I partially agree with the given statement and will provide justification in the upcoming paragraphs. See, 2 lines. Done. Body paragraph on, where the magic happens. Starter. From my perspective, there are various viewpoints to consider. First and foremost, then your point. For partial agree, support one side. Athletes deserve high pay because careers are short due to injuries. Add complex. Although they earn millions, many retire broke because medical bills pile up. Moreover, expand. Optional example. For instance, studies show 78% of NFL players face financial issues post-retirement. This hits grammar variety and relevance. Body 2. Flip or reinforce. Starter. Furthermore or however for contrast. Other professions like teachers contribute more to society yet earn less, widening inequality. Complex. Since education shapes futures, underpaying educators harms generations. Hence, it's apparent that salary gaps need addressing. Keep it 3 to 4 lines. Over that, you risk rambling and losing coherence points. Conclusion. Wrap without new ideas. Taking these points into consideration, from a personal point of view, I am inclined to believe that while athletes merit high earnings, extreme gaps should be reduced. Add. Understanding economic demands and social contributions is key for a fairer future. Boom! Restates without repeating verbatim. Now the real game changer. Prep those 20 repeated questions I link in the description. They are recycled like clockwork. 70% chance your exam pulls from them. Practice adapting this template to each. Ideas will flow naturally. Grammar mistakes? Fine if relevant. Word count over 200. Still scores high. Let's address myths. Myth 1. Need advanced vocab. Nah. Repeat keywords if needed. Myth 2. Examples mandatory. Nope. Optional boosters. Myth 3. Partial agree is risky. Actually safest for balance. Data point. Forums like Reddit's r/PTE show templates like this boost averages by 20 points. Wrapping up, use this and you'll expose how PT rewards robots over thinkers. Questions? Drop in comments. Like, subscribe, hit notifications. See you next time. Go crush that exam.